Hey buddies, Jaromsz here.
So for today's video, we are going to do a tutorial on how to pay your housing loan using Gcash. First thing that you're going to do is go to Gcash app and then enter your MPIN. Next is click the Show More button. Under the Lifestyle and Shopping, look for Government logo and then click it. After that, you will be redirected on this page. You will see here different government services. Just look for Pag IBIG logos and tap on it. On this Pag IBIG Pay Bills page, you need first to select what type of transaction you are going to do. 3 options will be given. Since we are going to pay the housing loan, you need to choose housing loan. Next, you need to input your account number. It's 12 to 20 digits. After that, the amount. And then you need to set the date of your payment. Lastly is the email address. Double check all the details, then click the next button. Check again and then click confirm. So that's it, you are already paid on your Pag IBIG housing loan. Please be reminded that there is a 5 pesos fee in every transaction.
So that's it for today. See you next tutorial buddies.